To view your irrigation schedule, navigate to the Schedules page from the left-hand sidebar. The schedule page will default to the current week. You can toggle left and right to see other weeks on your schedule as well. You can change the schedule view from the upper right-hand corner drop-down menu. Currently, we're viewing it as a list for the week. We can also check it out as a calendar, or we can look at a daily calendar. From this page, you can also schedule an irrigation by clicking the Add Irrigation button on the right-hand side. You can continue to schedule the irrigation while looking at your existing calendar for reference.